1957 Chevy delivery sedan, which are very common. I've labeled incorrectly as a Nomad. Nomad actually has the windows in the back and all that stuff. But delivery sedans were common and used quite often. Practical thing to get around town, make some quick deliveries. So you got the air conditioning, dual fans, heartbeat of America, it says on the side here. The heartbeat of America. Look at that gold leaf paint. Wow, this is really done up. It's got the original steering wheel with the original dashboard with upgraded instrumentation, and the console was added with new seats. So, and it's all open back there, man. So, look at that plush interior. Welcomes blondes with blue eyes. Anyway, 57 on the side there. You can see right there. This is where you put all those cases of beer from Umbriago's liquor store. You drive them and you got to go fast to get down to the pubs and bars and other places where people drink a lot, socialize. So you can have on here, you know, beer delivery, high speed. You got the low profile tires. Yeah, you know, after putting those low profile tires on a Chevy, I mean, these might not be as bad, maybe they are, but God, I'd be afraid of, I would never try to put them on the manual, these tires on these rims under a manual tire changer. God. Yeah, it's done sweetly, very nicely, very good. A lot of attention to detail. Get around the front here. Yeah, it's the ride. You got bumpy head.